Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's session, we will do a quick revision of the topics for test 1. So, let's begin with articles. So, as we have already studied that articles are a and the words a and the, these are called articles. Now, the is the definite article and a and an, these are the indefinite article. The definite article the is used with the nouns which are specific. And where do we use a and an? Of course, with nouns which are singular and countable. That is, with singular countable nouns. And when the words begin with a consonant sound, we use the article a, and when the words begin with a vowel sound, we use an. Now let us see the exercises. So here in this exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct articles. So let's begin with sentence 1. I saw dash rainbow in dash sky. So here we will fill I saw a rainbow in the sky. Second sentence, Mr. Sharma is dash honorable man. So here the answer would be an honorable, and I hope all of you know why we are using an, although the word begins with H, which is a consonant. Of course, since the word begins with the vowel sound, we are using an. So an honorable. Number 3, I gave a 1 rupee coin to the beggar sitting near my house. So I hope all of you have understood why a 1 rupee coin. Because the word one begins with V sound, which is a consonant, and therefore a 1 rupee coin. And when we are talking about a specific person, a specific beggar, so we've used the article, the definite article, the. Then moving on to sentence number 4, dash dove is dash very gentle bird. So the correct answer would be the dove is a very gentle bird. Sentence number 5, Madhu is dash only daughter of her parents. So again, pointing out to a specific person. So the only daughter of her parents. Number 6, we visited dash Taj Mahal last week. So the correct answer would be we visited the Taj Mahal, because pointing out towards a specific monument. So the Taj Mahal. Number 7, my uncle is settled in dash UK. So since there is a common noun in the name of the country, so we are using the article, the definite article, the. So the sentence would be my uncle is settled in the UK. And the last sentence, we had to wait for dash hour and dash half. So the correct answer would be we had to wait for an hour and a half. So I hope all of you are clear with all these sentences. So now let us proceed towards the literature section. Now proceeding with the literature questions. So the first question of literature is extract based question. So read the extract given below and answer the questions. So the extract given is, teacher was now on, not under his table, yelling. So I hope all of you can identify from which part of the lesson has this line been taken, isn't that? And the chapter is Kali and the rat snake, where the Irula boy Kali saved everyone by catching the rat snake which had crawled into the classroom. So, going back to this extract, so it says teacher was now on, not under, his table yelling. So, where was the teacher now? The teacher was now on the table. He was not under the table, he was now on the table. Why was he there? So, why was the teacher now on the table and not under the table? Because the snake fell on the ground. So, your answer would be he was on the table now because the rat snake fell on the ground. And the third question, which word means the same as shouting? So it's very clear in the line, the word which means the same as shouting is yelling, right? So your answer would be the word yelling means the same as shouting. Now moving on to the question answers. So here you have to write your answers in 20 to 30 words. So children, read the lesson very well so that you can answer in your own words. And you will always stay within the word limit. Don't go beyond, don't exceed the word limit. Neither will you write your answers very, very short. Your answer should contain the complete content, right? Now, let us discuss the first question. The first question is, why did Kali want to fail and why was it not easy? So, if you've read the chapter thoroughly, you must have realized why Kali wanted to fail, right? Kali, since he was an Irula boy, nobody wanted to speak to him and he felt very lonely. He did not want to go to school and therefore he always wanted to fail in the class so that he is thrown out of the school, right? But why was it not easy? It was not easy for him because his work quality was too good. He was an intelligent and a hardworking boy. So even if he tried to present his work in a bad way, but still it was better than the other children in the class and therefore he was always appreciated by the teacher. The teacher was always happy with his work. Right? So this was the reason it was not easy for Kali to fail in the class. So I hope all of you understood the answer and of course you can write it in your own words. Now moving ahead to the next question. So question number 2 says, how do we know that Kali was a brave boy? Of course, this is one of the most important feature of his character. He was a brave boy. When the children of his class saw the snake, they started running here and there and heads banged and they banged with the wall. There was altogether, all the children were in panic and even the teacher was too scared. But what about Kali? He was not scared at all. He belonged to Irula tribe who were professional snake catchers. So although he was a little boy, he did not run he was not scared of the snake like other children. So instead, instead of running away, he went towards the snake and very smoothly and very efficiently very swiftly, he showed very swift movement and he caught the snake and saved all the children of his class. So this shows that Kali was a brave boy. So I hope all the questions are very clear to you. Children, you are free to write in your own words. You are free to write the answers in your own words. But make sure that the content should be correct. The content should be complete. With this, I wind up today's revision session. So thank you so much.